Hello guys, welcome to G Instruct, and I am so happy to have you here. In this channel, you will find videos on how to make money online at the comfort of your home. Subscribe now, turn on notifications so you will receive updates and be notified whenever a new video is released on this channel. In this video today guys, I am going to be showing you the top 4 ways of making money from Jumia while at home. And guys, what makes this video interesting is that you can do this with only your phone. But if you have a laptop, you can also apply same methods I am going to show you and make money for yourself. It doesn't matter if you have a white-collar job or you are into business, a little extra money will help you a lot. Wouldn't it? Jumia is on hand to give you an insight on how you can make an easy living. If you are hardworking and serious about making money online, then with this methods, you will make money for yourself. Let's begin. The first method of making money online with Jumia is becoming an independent Jumia sales consultant through a program called JForce. JForce is a program run by Jumia that allows individuals to earn commission by assisting customers to place orders on the e-commerce platform. As a JForce agent, you earn a commission depending on the number of sales you do per month and the type of items you are assisting to sell. This is an opportunity to be your own boss and take orders from no one else but yourself, as you have complete control over your activities. To be a sales consultant with Jumia Nigeria, you will be required to register, create your own team, a network of other sales consultants, and then start selling Jumia products and make money doing so. You can make up to 1 million naira monthly doing this. Check description below for link to register as a Jumia sales consultant. The second method to make money from Jumia is to become a Jumia affiliate partner. Affiliate partners can promote the products on Jumia and can get up to 11% commission on every successful order made a click via your affiliate link. You can make easy money online if you own a website, blog, or just any useful social media account such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc. You can simply post about any product on your social media profile, timeline, or even groups, and when you get people to buy these products, you will earn money. But first, you need to sign up for the affiliate program, find products you know people really want, or the products you know your website or blog readers want, or the product your social media networks need. Promote the products, get people to through your link, track your sales, and earn commissions. How easy can money making get? You can also use the appropriate banners from the Jumia Nigeria's advert media via your affiliate account. Choose the banners that is according to your target audience from the various product banners. The good thing is that you can be upgraded to a premium affiliate and earn more depending on how well you promote Jumia. Regular promotions to targeted audience means more money for you. There is a link to a video below which will teach you everything you need to know as a Jumia affiliate. It will teach you how to get your affiliate links, banners, and even HTML code to embed in your website if you have any. Check it out. Do you want to register as a Jumia affiliate partner? Check description below for registration link. Sign up and start making money for yourself. The third way to make money on Jumia is to sell your own products. If you have your own products and services to sell, you can easily sell them. Jumia will allow you to list your products for sale as long as you want to sell your genuine products online. To create a store on Jumia only takes few minutes and it is free. You are only charged a little fee when you make sales. To get started, you will be required to go to the Jumia seller registration page and sign up. After signing up, you will be able to upload your own products to sell on Jumia Nigeria. Check link in description to register for a store in Jumia. The last, but not the least method of making money with Jumia is by referring people to use the Jumia Pay app. Jumia Pay app is an all-in-one app, which enables all users to do many transactions from a single dashboard, ranging from paying your bills, recharging your phone, buying data bundles, and lots more. Jumia Pay app also give discount bonus on all your purchase, whether you refer or not. Every individual that download and install Jumia One Affair eligible for cashback of 5% and above on all transactions. Based on my research, when you refer someone to Jumia Pay app, you will earn 500 naira when the person uses their services. This may seem too small, but guys, guess what? It's worth it. So guys, that's everything you need to know about making money with Jumia. Give this video a like and share it with your friends so they can make money also. If you have any questions, I will be so happy to see them in the comments section below. Goodbye and have a nice day.